To set up Authorize Net webhooks, you need to have an Authorize Net account and a basic understanding of web development. Webhooks are notifications sent by Authorize Net to your server when specific events occur, such as a successful payment or a declined transaction. First, log into your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Settings page. Click on the Webhooks menu option and then click on the Create a New Webhook button. You will need to provide a name and a URL for the webhook. The URL is where Authorize Net will send the notification when an event occurs. Next, select the events you want to receive notifications for, such as payment notifications or subscription notifications. You can choose one or multiple events depending on your needs. After you have selected the events, click on the Save button to create the webhook. Authorize Net will then send a verification request to the URL you provided to verify that it is a valid endpoint. To verify the webhook, you need to create an endpoint on your server that can receive and process the verification request. The verification request is a simple HTTP POST request that contains a verification code. Your endpoint needs to read the verification code and then send it back to Authorize Net in the response. Once the verification is complete, Authorize Net will start sending notifications to your server. When the events you selected occur, you can then use these notifications to update your database or trigger other actions on your server. It is a good practice to use a secure connection such as HTTPS to receive webhook notifications. This ensures that the data sent by Authorize Net is encrypted and cannot be intercepted by unauthorized parties. In addition, you should also implement error handling and logging on your server to handle any issues that may occur when receiving or processing webhook notifications. This will help you to diagnose and fix any problems quickly and ensure that your application is working as expected. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up Authorize Net webhooks and start receiving notifications for specific events. This will enable you to automate tasks and improve the overall user experience on your website or application.